Oh, I screwed up so bad. I screwed up so bad. Oh. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another video. In today's video, we are going to be turning this into this. So we got new floor on the ground, and I already took it inside yesterday evening because it was starting to rain and I had to take it inside. I used Subaru, by the way. We already moved the car bridge, so the car bridge was on that side, now it's over there. And if you gotta move heavy things, you use the chimney. Not only are we going to put in a totally new floor here, I am going to keep my Statue of Liberty, because I love that lady. Have some red lips maybe, not really sure. Add another floor up there, bought some wood-like wallpaper. Bruh. So yeah, we got a lot of work to do. I cannot be the only one in the world that's absolutely disgusted and scared of these angle grinders. And when you can't get to somewhere, you actually take off the protection. So your hand is like really close to the blade, and there's also a piece of a pigeon on here. Not really sure what that's all about, but... I still have all of them. Wood look wallpaper. Cost me 200 bucks, 200 euros for the whole thing. I also bought this plant. It's plastic.
One eternity later.
Not much to say there, but look at that. This is starting to look pretty cool. Next week, the wood for the flooring is coming up, so we got a ceiling and we can go on top. And yeah, got a lot more stuff coming. You guys see all that wood laying around? Yeah, it's coming on top of that. It's gonna be just as easy as Now you guys have already seen the Statue of Liberty, and I do not want to get rid of it, but it is a little bit in the way for the YouTube studio, so my buddy was like, why don't you just put it on top in the middle of the new platform? Yeah, my buddy left, and the Statue of Liberty is kind of heavy. Yeah. It's not even close to my stupidest idea ever, but I think it's pretty close. I just maxed out the lift. Uh-oh. Now it has been a couple of rough weeks. Still have a lot of junk over there. The back is starting to look pretty cool. And the computer corner is also starting to look very well. Can't wait to pick up the first motorcycles in the future. Haven't been Smokey's man cave. Anyway, we got a lot more work to do. Yeah, buddy. Everything is starting to look pretty decent, but of course the ceiling is brand new wood. I'm going to take some black paint, add a little bit of water, and use a big brush and get over these beams. And just when you think you're about to do an awesome job, you bought solvent paint. Paint on solvent base. I need water-based paint, because solvent and water does not mix. Have to go back to the shop and get some water-based paint. I had one job, Smokey, one job. Water-based paint. I bought the wrong kind. Yeah, buddy. So this is actually the same look that I gave my my attic in my other house. And it's like 4 liters of water and 1 liter of black paint. Water-based. Do not get this wrong. What do you guys think? Let's get started. Yeah, buddy. I screwed up so bad. I screwed up so bad. On the new floor. No. Not on the new floor. Some do say that YouTubers are lazy and they should really find a job, but I mean, it's past midnight, I'm listening to hardstyle music, and I'm painting my ceiling black. That's a lot of job.
5 minutes later.
And that is also job done. The only things that are needed to do is clean up and install this IKEA closet. IKEA! Nokia! Nokia! No, sorry about that. I do have some more LED lighting coming up all the way around the ceiling. Computer is ready, bench is ready. All of those YouTube play buttons are still going out because, well, they're like other YouTube channels. And the closet also looking good. Yep. I'm building a garage today. So let me know in the comments, what do you think? You like it or not? Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you guys probably in the first motorcycle review. Anyway, drive safe, peace, see you in the next one. Cheers.